Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I'm back with two demons in one this week. This is the Beast Rider for my Demons of War skirmish team. The rider is based off of the Mancubus theme, which is very similar to the Imp, it's just a lighter brown. The main style of this mini though is based off of the Demon, or more commonly known as Pinky. The mini was primed in black, given a white zenithal highlight, and as with all the other demons, I used purple ink to give it a quick once over. I want Pink to look a little bit lighter than the Ballad of Hell mini, so I'll get started with all of these skin tone using pink. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description. There you can share anything you have been working on. To add a highlight to the skin, I went for squid pink, as this is the lightest pink I have without just using an off-white. With the squid pink now dry, I wash all of the skin with red tone. Now for the armor panels, I had to cheat a little bit with this color scheme as Pinky is just, well, pink, but you can encounter a few special variations of the demon and one of them is olive green. So with that in mind, the closest color I have is Army Green by Army Painter. There are a lot of skulls around this mini, and as with all the other demons, I went for bone white just to give them a base coat. With all these skulls finished, I paint the base black brown just to tie Pinky in with the rest of the demons on this team. Getting started with the Mancubus skin, it's a tanned colour, so I went for cork brown as this is the closest I have. As with all the demons in this set, I paint the cloth with kobold skin. Mancubus has metal arms, so all the armor plates in the rider get done with gunmetal. To tie some of the armor panels in with the rest of the skirmish team, the trim on Pinky gets a once over with tinny tin. The army green needed a little bit more shadow, so all the armor panels get a wash of military shader. To finish the rest of the mini off, I'll wash everything that hasn't been washed with soft tone. And that will be it for Pinky and Mancubus. The army green is probably going to be coming back in a future video, as this kind of fits in with the Marauder's armor, as it's the same as the Doomslayer's armor. As always, there'll be photos of this mini on my Instagram page. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description. There you can share anything you have been working on. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.